Hands down, this is one of the coolest tricks that I've learned when it came to landscape design. If you want to take your game to the next level, this is it. What's going on? It's Bobby K. I'm a professional landscape designer and installer, and this channel is dedicated to those DIYers, landscape lovers, those interested in landscape design. If you want to learn some cool tips and tricks to help you save time and money, this is the channel. Click subscribe, hit the like, do all that good stuff, but let's get on with it. One of the most important things that I have learned over the last couple of years is about color. Color, that's it, that's your big tip. Yeah, you ever heard the concept of KISS? Keep it simple, stupid? I'm a big believer in that. And something as simple as color makes all the difference in the world when it comes to a design. So I'm gonna give you out 3 basic principles on how to implement that. And I promise you, this is the thing that changed everything for me when it came to my landscapes and designs and the quality of my work. So let's break it down. Number 1 is I want to introduce you to color. And what I mean by that is understanding what color truly is and how to apply it to your design. So I want you to think of color as a powerful gardening tool that literally can cut through and influence your senses and the environment around you. Colors convey atmosphere, mood, a message. Warm colors are going to generate excitement, liveliness, even intimacy, while white or cool colors are going to be more calm, spacious, or tranquil. Colors can absolutely impact landscaping by alternating the colors and making things absolutely jump off the page. If you put a bunch of beautiful flowers together, it's going to pop. But I also want you to think about hardscaping. When nothing is flowering or in season, if you have beautiful hardscaping that's consistent, that provides color for a design. And finally, if you want to think about even paint, paint is a really cool thing that you can use to liven up a space. Maybe you have a privacy wall that you want to give a brilliant color to, or you've got some foundation that you want to hide. Painting it close to the color of your siding or something that doesn't make it stand out as much is an awesome way to use color. Number 2 is the effects of color. When it comes to color effects, one really cool trick that I love to do is with a focal point. If you have something that has a brilliant color, an easy way to make it jump off the page is to have everything around it be a little bit more subtle, either darker or lighter, and then that brilliant, beautiful focal point is what the color is all in and it pops. Another really cool color effect is creating highlights, and how you do this and what I mean by this is, say you have a pathway. What you can do is line the pathway with some brilliant, beautiful color and then have the backdrop be a little bit more subtle, either darker or lighter. So you've got contrasting hues, but they work well together because you've got something that almost lights the pathway and then you have this subtle backdrop. Finally, number 3 is applying color. When applying color, they typically will go into 3 different categories. You got vibrant colors, relaxing colors, or neutral colors. When applying vibrant colors, I want you to go crazy. We tend to be a little bit more conservative with the interior of our homes, painting them neutral colors. Out in the garden, we have creative range, so go with those vibrant colors and make things pop. When it comes to relaxing colors, we're typically talking about your grays, blues, purples. I like to use these in bigger areas. So if I have an area that I want to be a beautiful focal point but not too crazy busy, I like to use a lot of groupings of flowers and plants that are more subtle. Like I said, they fall in the grays, the blues, the purples. And this creates a very beautiful look that's cohesive and just works with almost any design. Finally, you got the neutral colors, and when you're applying these, they go very well as like backdrops like bamboo, or if you're in a woodland area, or even some grasses that start to kind of turn over in the fall and get some of that yellowish brown look. Beautiful, beautiful color choices to fill space and just make it look nice and clean and warm and cozy. All right, so that was a bunch of information on color, but what I want you to see is how important it is to lock on these 3 basic principles. You're kind of introducing it, then you see the effects of it, and then how do you apply it. If you can master those 3 principles and put those into your design, I promise you it's gonna have a more cohesive theme, it's gonna jump off the page, and it's just gonna look beautiful. If you like these kind of videos, make sure you subscribe, hit the alarm bell, and hit the like button. This is Bobby K saying creation is everything, so go out, create.